Ever pondered the intricacies of approaching your crush? Those butterflies in your stomach, the sweaty palms, the stuttering speech. We've all been there, and it's perfectly okay. Today, we're going on an enlightening journey which will help you navigate through this thrilling yet nerve-wracking experience. Step number 1, muster up the courage. Yes, it sounds like a cliché, but it's the absolute truth. Courage doesn't mean you have to be fearless. It means acknowledging your fears and choosing to act anyway. So, take a deep breath, muster up your courage, and take the first step. Moving on to step number 2, observe and listen. Paying attention to your crush's interests, their likes and dislikes, brings you one step closer to understanding them better. It's not about becoming a mind reader, but about showing genuine interest in them as individuals. Next up, step number 3, be yourself. Authenticity attracts. You don't have to pretend to be someone you're not. Your crush should like you for who you are, not for a facade you've put up. So wear your personality with pride. Now on to step number 4, initiate a conversation. Start with something simple, a shared interest perhaps. This not only breaks the ice, but also provides a common ground for future discussions. Step number 5, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day. Building a connection with someone takes time. Don't rush into expressing your feelings. Let the relationship develop naturally. Lastly, step number 6, make your move. Once you've established a rapport, express your feelings. Remember, it's okay if they don't feel the same way. Rejection is a part of life, and it's better to know than to live in uncertainty. To summarize, it all starts with courage, followed by observation and listening. Authenticity plays a crucial role, and initiating a conversation helps break the ice. Patience is key in developing the relationship, and finally, making your move completes the process. Remember, everyone's experience is unique. What works for one might not work for another. But these steps provide a basic framework to help you approach your crush. It's all about respect, understanding, and most importantly, being true to yourself. So go ahead, muster up that courage and take the leap of faith. You never know, you might just land in the arms of your crush.